Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to use the not instruction. So the not instruction is pretty simple. You need to have some sort of variable or register with a value. We can use any one, only the register. I'm going to use the ESP register and I'm going to put in the value. Doesn't matter what, 67 for example. And then to not it, just do not ESP and that's it. So what the not instruction does is, let me get rid of this, and 67, so 67 would be a 1 here, and a 1 here. So what it simply does, it just reverses every single bit. So a 1 becomes a 0, a 0 becomes a 1, like so. So this value as a result will be 128 plus 32, which is 160, 176, 184, 188. So 188, and it is also the maximum value minus what the initial value was, because it's just the reverse of that number. And that's all the not does. And that's it. That's literally all there is to it. This is the operation. What I want you to do as an extra task is basically extend this so you're using it and testing the not operation. I think I've shown you, quite a lot of the last few videos for you to be able to undertake this yourself. But if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.